Hello everyone, we at Zakra team have decided to release a beta version for the upcoming Zakra theme version 3.0 and Pro plugin version 2.0. The beta version will not only help us, but it will help you users as well. The beta version will help you test out the new changes and make sure your site runs smoothly. The Zakra and Zakra Pro updates include improvements and changes in HTML markups, CSS classes, file/folder structure, and the internal code. Now it shouldn't cause any problems for users who haven't made changes in their default behavior of Zakra by adding a custom code. However, for those users who are customizing Zakra and or Zakra Pro by adding custom codes via child theme or adding custom CSS via the additional CSS tab, some issues may arise. But no need to worry, we have systems in place to make sure your site continues to function properly. Obviously, we're launching this beta version and we also have some other resources to aid you in this transition. I'm Sid and I'll tell you everything you need to know to test out the new beta version and what to do if you're a child theme or a custom CSS user, so stick around. So how to test out the beta version. So if you're a free user, you can click on the link given in description, or if you're watching this video via the article, there will be a link there. From that link you can download the free version of Zakra beta, and if you're a premium user you'll have to download 2 zip files, first being the free beta version from the same link as the free users. And for the second one, you go to zakratheme.com and you log in. So here you'll have to use your freemium credentials to log into your account. If you're a premium user, you must have access to it. Then from here you can download the Zakra Pro plugin beta zip file. To test out the beta version, it is very important that you use a staging site or a testing site which mimics your live website, because beta versions are prone to issues, so it's better that you test it out first before using it on your live website. Now if you already have a staging site, amazing. You can test this beta version out there. But if you don't know how to create a staging site, there are multiple ways to go about it. We have this article linked down below which will help you create a staging site in all possible ways. And alternatively, if you don't want to create a staging site, you can migrate your live site's backup and test it out on a local environment. So once you've downloaded your files, you can go into add new and upload the theme here, and if you're a premium user, you'll go to plugins and you'll upload the plugin here. Simple. Now once you've installed the beta version, you can now explore the customizer and the front end of your website to observe the changes. And it is important that you clear out the cache to observe the new changes. Now if anything is broken or the changes you made to the child theme or the custom CSS part have not been applied, we will go over it in a second. Now besides that, if you have any other issues, you can always contact our support team. Links down below. But if your website seems fine and working well, you don't have to worry. You can simply test out the new update and you can provide us feedbacks about this new update via the article or through the links from the dashboard. And if you've tested out the new update, you like everything, you can wait till the update comes out and update your live website. And now let's go over the real issues. Now if you're using a child theme, we're still offering you our support. So what's changed is the HTML markups, CSS classes, file folder structure, and the internal code. And now if you want to know in depth about what has been changed or deprecated, then there's a link down below for you to see. So if you're using a child theme, what you can do is you can go to the link down below yet again and provide us with your child theme. It will then be analyzed by our devs and they will send you back the updated zip of your child theme as soon as possible. Now in case of any other issues, you can always reach out to our support team. Now let's go over the other issue. If you're using a custom CSS on the customizer, no need to worry. Our team has implemented a selector converter which will help you convert all your old CSS codes with the change selector. So for this converter, there's a link down below. You can go through it, paste your CSS code, and it will do its magic. Now suppose for whatever reason it does not fix your issue, our support team will help you with it. Again, links down below on this video or on the article as well. Now in another scenario, if you're comfortable changing the selector on your CSS code, please follow these steps. So from the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize, and from here you can find the additional CSS section. And once you're in here, you can go about changing the selector. So if you look here, we have this old selector called entry.content, which has been changed to Zak entry summary. So you'll just have to go here and change this to Zak entry summary. Or what you can also do is you can inspect the element, you can find its class, site title. So suppose I want to change the color of this title, site title. So what I'll have to do is I'll do site-title, curly brackets, and I want to change its color to blue. Right, so there you go, the color has changed. So you can do the same thing. but realistically you'd like to update your older code. So in that scenario, you go down to the link below, you'll see all the things that have been changed and you can manually change it. So I'll give you another example. So one of the most common changes that you will find in the code is these prefixes .tg or tg has been changed to Zak. So for the mobile menu, we've changed .tg-mobile-navigation to Zak-mobile-menu. So as you can see, this change right here affected this menu. So yes, you can do the same with all the other elements. Go to the link down below, see what has changed, or you can manually look for the updated class and you can update it yourself. And besides that, we still have our code converter. Now again, even after all that, if you have any issues, any confusions, then you can always contact our support team. Links down below. So after you've taken all these steps and once your site seems to be working well, we advise you to wait till the official release. Now if you're using a child theme or custom CSS codes, it's better to keep the new child theme and the updated codes somewhere safe. Now for users with a child theme, once the official release comes out, it's better if you switch to the parent theme, update it, and then again activate the provided updated child theme. Now, in case of the CSS codes, it's important to keep the updated or provided CSS codes somewhere safe. And once the update rolls out, you can always go back here to additional CSS and change the code. So thanks for your understanding. Now, it's your support, trust, and patience that helps make Zakra better. We hope this transition goes as smoothly as possible. So I will again emphasize, in case of any confusions, any problems, you can always visit our support team. You can either create a support ticket or you can message them via the live chat. So hoping you're doing well, I'm Sid and I'll see you around.